Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I don't think you could hear that because I'm using my headset microphone, and it's noise canceling. It does a terrific job on noise canceling, so you can't hear anything except my voice. But I tried. I had the volume way up. I tried. But anyway, I've been cleaning up after the hurricane. Finally, my radio equipment. And I'm down in my radio room. And as you heard, maybe you probably didn't hear, that was WWV at 10 megahertz coming in very loud with some background. There's a lot of background noise right now. Just overall on the HF band, there's noise. And it's 6 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. And what I've done is I've hooked up I've got about a dozen outside antennas, of which there's probably 4 or 5 that need repair because they were damaged during the storm. But I got 3 of them repaired, and I hooked them up to, I can turn my camera here, to that switch right here. There's 3 antennas coming in. One is my Mega Loop, one is my 31-foot vertical antenna from MFJ, and one is a 2-meter J-pole that was given to me. And so now I can switch between antennas going to any particular radio that I run the cable out of that switch to, which right now is going to the Texan S2200X. And I'm trying to get organized. I had to do several repairs on these antennas. For instance, my Megaloop antenna looked fine, but then I realized later that the first section of the telescopic pole that it's mounted to had receded. So I was losing about 8 foot of height. So I pushed that back up. I put some tape on it so it wouldn't slide back down, and now that's working the best. My best radio, my best antenna. I'm pretty exhausted this morning fighting everything. So what I need to do is I need to figure out how to pipe the audio from a radio, this one for example, to my computer so that I can have that as a different audio input so that you can hear it. Because it's not much fun just looking at a radio and not being able to hear it. And then right now you can see on my computer I have short-wave.info webpage up, and these right now are all the stations that are broadcasting in English only. So there's a lot more stations out there broadcasting, but these are the ones broadcasting in English only right now. And then here is the table it generates down below here. And I've shown this to you before. And if you click on remarks, if you have put this locator right here at your location, normally it starts out here somewhere over here someplace. And so this signal strength to your location doesn't work unless you move that to your location or any location. So it's working now. And so I can come down here and I can hit this diamond, and it will sort this listing by signal strength, calculated signal strength to my location, which you can see a lot. And all the ones that have even the minimum get highlighted. So for instance, earlier I was in, now it's not in frequency sort. I forgot 9830, I believe, or 9930. And it was saying that was in South Africa. I'm not sure that was correct. Oh, here it is right here. This is what I was hearing before. and it was broadcasting in English. See, now it's changed. Oh, no. Here it is. It's still broadcasting in English. So let me just see if I can remember how to punch that in. Let's see, did I get it this time? Nope, I didn't get it on my search this time. So let me get my eyes on. I still have to use readers, even though I had new lenses put in. Oh, I forgot. No, that's not how you. I forgot already. How do you? Oh, this is very. I got too many radios and I forget how to use them. Okay. There we go. What did I say? 9930. Enter. Whoop. Oh, all right. All right. I'll just tune it down. No. There we go. No. 9930. Oh, God. Sorry about that. 9930. Enter. There. Did we getting anything? No. That's gone now. That was over an hour ago that I was getting, and it was pretty clear, not fantastic, but it's pretty clear. But you can see, if I still got the camera pointed at the radio, you can see that the noise level is way up here on the S meter. And that's just ambient noise. I haven't looked at the solar numbers to see what the A index is. I don't think I have that page up right now on my computer. Anyway, so I just want to make you aware that I'm getting reorganized again, getting my antennas working again, getting my radios set up. One of the tests I want to do is I want to test this radio, the S2200X, against my old Grundig Satellite 750, which looks identical. But this has got all new electronics. That Grundig 750, I would guess it's 15 years old. And then I also could test it against my Big Bertha. Let me see if I can swing the camera over there. I don't know if it's pointing to Big Bertha. Satellite 800. Test these, see how they compare. So that's what I want to do in the future. I want to thank everybody for watching. I got one more radio of Jeff's to show you. It's a tube radio. It's got 7 tubes, not a 5-tuber. It's a 7-tuber. And I'm going to do that show very shortly, maybe even today. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm not wasting your time. I would hate to be doing shows that just are boring. Have a great day. Bye-bye.